Hey, model fans, it's me. I'm back. I've been gone for a long time. Family priorities will always trump the hobby, so there you have it. I said what I said, and I mean what I mean. Take care of your families first. So yeah, I've been gone for a few weeks. We had, graduation going on, and then we went to Florida to help Dad, spent a little bit of time with family, went back down south to help move my daughter from Auburn to Nashville, and so she is now pursuing her doctorate in occupational therapy at Belmont University, which is cool. And yeah, so I'm back, and Mama's gone for a week, so I got some time to play. There's nothing to be done around here except keep the grass cut if it rains. So, I'm going to monkey around. I got a couple of kit reviews to do, some things to show you guys. And tonight I'll just show you something that I found on Marketplace. I am going to spend some time this evening and tomorrow. And I know my friend Daryl, he's chomping at the bit for me to get these things done, but I got to finish these little Mighty Mites over here. And, but anyhow, it is what it is. So, yeah, I was nosing around on Facebook Marketplace, and I came across a deal for $45. I could not pass it up. I mean, I just could not pass it up. So, for $45, I was able to secure 4 items, okay? The very first one is a plank bender, all right? Just a little simple, plank bender for model shipbuilding, and it's unused. I think that's kind of cool. I've got a tool that I can crimp to bend planks with, but this little roller deal is kind of interesting, so we'll give that a shot when the time is right. Included in this $45 purchase was a brand new 4-inch table saw. For little tiny, we get a little tiny wood projects. So, I can't tell if that's been used or not, if that's just a little bit of surface rust from sitting, but that's been there for a minute. The third line item is a Fair A-Frame building slip for wooden ship models by Model Shipways. And I have a couple of ships that I have not started, and this will be a nice tool to kind of square things up and, build up the hull. So that's kind of cool. Now, there were a couple of busted pieces in here that I think I can repair or make duplicate parts for, but the rest of it's in great shape. It's all still, new and in plastic and all that business. Laser cut parts. But the piece de resistance is this awesome San Francisco cross-section kit. That's cool. I've never built one of these. It has all the little details and stuff in it. And this looks like fun. I mean, this looks like something a guy could probably start and get done much quicker than building a full ship, which I've got a couple of ships. So lots of good detailed instructions in here. They did come with an X-Acto knife and all the little pieces, parts. All right. So that's cool, man. That's, what's that? Artesiana Latina. I don't even know if I pronounced that right. But, Yeah, plank on bulkhead. It's got all the different levels and all the little greeblies and things that go inside the hull, which will make for a really awesome looking kit. I mean, check, that's just so cool. And I mean, that's a $100 kit by itself. $109, I think, is the recent cost. So I got lucky, man. And my wife's like, do you need it or do you want it? $45. It's an investment. All right. That's it. I'm back. Stay tuned. All this week, I will be doing something, okay? I got to do an open box review on this Das Werk Puma, which you guys have seen this already, probably from other model building guys. And then, of course, I have the Wild Willie 2. Didn't mean to give that one away, but I got a Wild Willie 2 over here, the RC version in a kit. It's something I've always wanted, and so we'll go do an open box video on that. All right, I'm going to leave you alone. I'm going to get busy on finishing up this little guy. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for not leaving me yet. This will be a good year. All right, hang tight. Love you. See ya. Get out there and build something. Put some paint on something, some glue.